Everyone, I welcome you all back to my channel Top 10 Class ICC. Now we are doing chapter 4 of our maths, and I have done solved examples before exercise 4b till question number 12, 10 of solved examples. Now we will be doing further solved examples in this video. Now let's start. Question number 11 of solved examples was solved and graph the solution set of minus 2 is less than 2x minus 6 or 2 minus 2x plus 5 is greater than equal to 13, where x belongs to real numbers. Okay, so minus 2 is less than 2x minus 6. 2x minus 6 is greater than minus 2. So 2x is greater than 4, minus 6 and minus 2, 4. So plus 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 2x is greater than 4 and x is greater than 2. 4 upon 2 is 2 ones and 2 twos. What is left? 2. So 2 comes here. So minus 2x plus 5 is greater than equal to 13. This one now. So it will be minus 2x is greater than equal to 8. 13 minus 5 is 8, right? So that's why 8. So minus 2x is greater than equal to 8, and 8 upon 2 is what? 4, right? So minus 4. Minus sign is there. So x is less than equal to minus 4. So minus 4 is the answer, right? After that we have to graph for both separately and then for both in one. So graph for x is greater than 2. Like this you have to graph like 2 hollow circle and then further line darken and arrow. And graph for x is less than equal to minus 4. Minus 4 darken circle, and before that a darken line and arrow back of that. Graph of solution set of x is greater than 2 or x is less than equal to minus 4. Graph of points which belong to x is greater than 2 or x is less than equal to minus 4 or both. So this is for both, right? Just do this on one number line like this. Now question number 12, given p is equals to x belongs to 5 less than 2x minus 1 is less than equal to 11, x belongs to real numbers. Q is x such that minus 1 is less than equal to 3 plus 4x less than 23, x belongs to integers. Represent p and q on two different number lines. Write down the elements of p and q. So 5 is less than 2x minus 1 is less than equal to 11, where x belongs to real numbers. So 5 is less than 2x minus 1 and 3 is less than x. 3 how? 5 minus 2 is 3, right? So 5 minus 2, 3 and x. And now here 2x minus 1 is less than equal to 11. So x is less than equal to 6, 11. So 2x minus 1 is less than equal to 11 and x is less than equal to 6. So like this you have to plot it on number line, and for q also you have to solve it like that. Same only. No differences there. Only same. Just we have to plot it on number line. Here we have plotted the numbers on the number line, and here we have done 3 is less than x. So 3 we have done hollow circle, and 6 this side number we have done darkened circle. Like that you have to do. So question number 13, you can pause and do that and then come to question number 13. Write down the range of values of x. X belongs to real number for which both the equation x is greater than 2 and minus 1 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 4 are true. Both the given inequations are true in the range where their graphs on the real number lines overlap. Okay. The graphs for the given inequalities are drawn alongside. It is clear from both the graphs that their common range is 2 is less than x is less than equal to 4. Required range is 2 is less than x and less than equal to 4. This is for minus 1 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 4, and this is for x is greater than 2, greater than 2. So 2 will be hollow circle and then further line darken. So for any two solution sets A and B, intersection of sets A and B, this we have learned, right? Union of sets. Question number 14. The diagram given below represent two inequations P and Q on real number lines. this is P and this is Q. Write down P and Q in set builder notation. P is equals to X, just put 2 like this ratio signs there. Minus 2 is less than X is less than equal to 6, and X belongs to real numbers. And same for Q, means only 8 we have to change it down here, and X belongs to real numbers. And then P intersection Q, like that numbers which belong to P or to Q or to both. Like this you have to make number line for here too and for here too. Same we have to do. This we have learned, right, in 8th standard, that set chapter. Like that we have to solve it. Here question number 14. Here also you can see D part, Q minus P. Q minus P means which belong to Q but do not belong to P. That is 6, 7, 8. So 6, 7, 8 we have plotted down here. See, minus 2, numbers which belong to P but do not belong to Q is equals to P minus Q. Numbers which do not belongs to P but belongs to Q will be Q minus P. Like that. This does not come, but you can solve it if you want. Find 3 smallest consecutive whole numbers such that the difference between 1/4 of the largest and 1/5 of the smallest is at least 3. Let the required whole numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. According to given statement, x plus 2 upon 4 minus x upon 5 is greater than equal to 3. So now 5 will go with here and cross multiplication we will do. So it will be 5x plus 10 minus 4x upon 20. 5 into 4 is 20. 5 4s are 20. So 20 is greater than equal to 3. So x plus 10 is greater than equal to 60. 20 into 3 is what? Here we have done 20 into 3. So that is 60. And x plus 10, this all cuts. Okay, so x and 10 left, so x plus 10 comes down here. So x is greater than equal to 50. Since the smallest value of x is 50, that satisfies the inequation that x is greater than equal to 50. Required smallest consecutive whole numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So 50, 50 plus 1 and 50 plus 2. What is that? 50. 50 plus 1 is 51 and 50 plus 2 is 52. Like this you have to solve. Thank you to reach the end of this video. In this video we have seen solved examples. Now we will be starting with the exercise 4b. This solved examples I have taken to understand how we have to solve sums in exercises. That's why I am explaining solved examples too. If you find it helpful, do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you all.